slow money makers.
Motion graphics are taking over.
So the first one, let's create your graphic.
Motion graphics videos.
These days, I see a lot of videos on YouTube that talk about how you can monetize your TikTok and YouTube channels with this animation style. You can do it, but to be honest, if you want to create these types of videos, it's more about the storytelling behind them rather than just the animation skills. I'm not saying those videos are lying. I just believe that understanding storytelling is key. The simplest way is to understand the concept of yin and yang. What's yin and yang? It's the idea that if there's a bad side, there's also a good side too. In your videos, you need to compare the bad and the good at the same time for any niche you want to create content for. You can't just showcase your product without discussing its benefits or how it competes with other products on the market, like comparing Apple and Samsung or Ronaldo and Messi. This way, people can better understand what to choose and why. So, in your videos, make sure to do this kind of comparison. For this video, I'm not going to use Canva animations. Instead, I found a different website called Flat Icon Animation. I've put the link in the description for you. On Flat Icon, you can download stickers, animated graphics, interface elements, and more. But for this video, we need animated icons. You can select them here or choose from the top of the page. I'll click from here. As you can see, there are a lot of cool animations, like this rocket. To download a file, just click on the big green button. Now, the important part begins. If you want to download a loop animation, we have MP4 and GIF options. If you download the GIF, you have more freedom to increase the duration. So, download the GIF file. And if you like the PNG format, you can download it as PNG to use in your project. There are more file types available, but you need to buy a subscription to get access to After Effects and Photoshop files. I have an idea for fitness and success, so I downloaded some of the icons. You can use the search bar to find animations better. I typed in gym, fitness, and other words related to fitness and exercise. Now, I've downloaded these animations. Before we go on, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for new CapCut tutorials. Let's open CapCut. Most of these kinds of animations, as I've seen on TikTok and Instagram, have a black background, so viewers can focus better on the animations. But I like this background with a flicker light effect. Then, import one of your animations. Let me explain what we should do. As you can see, we have 3 colors here, guys. White background, black line, and green. Is that green or blue? My doctor says I can't recognize some greens from blues. I'm not sure what color you see here, but we need to convert it to black and invert the colors. First, let's remove the green color. Go to the adjustment layer part, click on curves, then move this point to the right side. As you can see, we've removed the green color. But how can we invert the white and black colors? Just go to the filter section. In the style category, use negative. As you can see, we've inverted the colors, but there's a little issue here. The black isn't completely black. We have some white in the black. So, go to the adjustment part again and increase the contrast. And you should do the same process for any animation you add to the timeline. You can duplicate the first video, then replace it with a new animation. This way you can save time more effectively. Just continue like this to create 5 or 6 different animations. Just quick note, if you see a black background here, just change the blend mode to brighten to remove it. Now it looks better. For the final animation, use Finish and Rocket to create a little story. This way, we have a story with a clear start and ending. For the rocket animation, we should animate it. Start by moving it to the downside and creating a keyframe at the beginning. Then, move it up and to the right, out of the shot. If you look at results, you will realize that it's not smooth. So, right-click on it. Select Show Keyframe Animation and use Auto Curve for all keyframes to achieve smoother animation. Let's take a look at it. Good. Before we start the next part, let's introduce the sponsor of this video, Wondershare Uni Converter. They have a great toolbox for editors, offering a variety of tools including a video compressor. Just import your video, click here to select your compression level. I choose the recommended range, then click OK and compress. This way you can reduce the size of your video without losing quality, as you can see on screen. This allows you to quickly share your videos with clients and friends on social media. Check the first link in the description to try it out. Now, to better understand, I put all layers on one track. For the first layer, use an animation like zoom in for the entrance and slide down for the exit. Increase the duration to get a slower and longer animation. For the other characters, use different in and out animations depending on their movements. For example, for the bike animation, it's better to have it come in from the left and exit to the right. So use slide right for in and slide left for out. And for the goal animation, since it's the end, use slide up and zoom out. Now, to make it cooler and more eye-catching, we should add an edge glow effect, but I want to show you a different method, so watch carefully. First, add the edge glow effect on top of the layer. As you can see, it shows a square shape. To fix this, select all layers and create a compound clip. Then, add a blur effect on top of the layer. Make sure to increase the duration to cover all layers. Next, duplicate the first compound clip. Select the first layer and use a circle mask. Increase the feather to get smooth edges. Now, add edge glow to the second compound clip. Add the Black Flash 2 effect to create a flicker effect. On the right side, increase the twist, reduce the strength, and increase the size. If you look at the result, you will see a subtle flicker effect. You can see this style looks better and stands out more than just using a simple edge glow. Now, add a text layer. Type Day 1 or Monday. It doesn't matter. Use blue color. Scroll down and turn on the glow option. Increase the range and reduce the intensity. For the animation, use flicker for the entrance and increase the duration to get a longer animation. For the exit, use fade out. Duplicate it 5 times, making sure to set the timing the same as the animations, and change number every time. For the end, type win and place it under the rocket layer. Looking good, but let's add some small movements to the second compound clip. Use the play pendulum effect. Set the twist to 0, strength to 10, sharpen to 10, and speed to 100. And that's it. Now export your video. And if you want to learn more like this style, click on this video. And remember, as always, stay creative.
Shoo!